Welcome to my YouTube channel Time to Do. Today we are going to discuss chapter 1st of ICSC physics book. The topic is forces. Now you all know what is force. Force is a push or pull that changes or tends to change the state of rest or uniform motion of an object or changes the direction or shape of an object. Now here two types of forces we are going to discuss. First is transitional motion. As you all know that motions are also part of force. First, straight line motion of a rigid body in the direction of applied force is called linear motion or transitional motion as mentioned in your book. Motion that involves the sliding of an object in one or more of the three dimensions, that is x, y or z, is called linear motion or transitional motion. As you all know, we consider x-axis, y-axis and z-axis as three dimensions. So if we are applying force and the object is moved in straight line in any of three dimensions, then it is called transitional motion. Now what are the examples? Bullet fired from a gun if we walk on a road. Bullets always go in straight line and we walk in straight line. We can change the road but we'll always walk in straight line. Second is rotational motion. When an object spins around an internal axis in a continuous way. If a rigid body is pivoted. Now what is the meaning of pivoted? To turn or balance on a central point. Keeping in mind such that it can turn around the pivot, then application of force on the rigid body will rotate the body about the pivot. It will not be able to describe linear motion. It will not be able to describe linear motion. A motion described by a rigid body about a pivot or an axis is called rotational motive. Examples are table fan and hand blender's blades. Table fan is always moving on its fixed point. Similarly, blenders move on a fixed point and its blades are moving in same direction. So this is the explanation of transitional and rotational motion. I hope you like my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. God bless you all. Thank you.